The customer reported the door was difficult to open and dragging on the saddle. On inspection, we found the bottom hinge had completely failed, causing the door to shift down. The new hinge allows for extra clearance between the door and the saddle, preventing future dragging or sticking. We made final adjustments to ensure a smooth, reliable close with proper spacing and support. If your commercial door is sagging, dragging, or needs service, contact NYC Doors and More, trusted experts across New York City.